the giant ball. Go for it, Charlie.
Good one!
What good aim you have. If you knock down that last one, you get a prize.
Hooray!
Congratulations, kid. You can pick up whatever prize you want.
Ball!
The ball?
Huh?
It's really big.
Ball!
Don't you want something smaller? A little truck? A costume? Huh?
A teddy bear?
No! Ball!
What can we do? He earned it. We'll take the ball.
Yippee!
Charlie, hurry up! I have to go help Carol. She's setting up a stand today to sell her paper flowers.
So now how do we get it into the car?
Finally, problem solved.
We have a problem.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think we fit here.
We'll see you at Carol's flower stand. We'll get there before you do.
Okay then, we'll just take our time and wander on down. We're never gonna get there.
Roll!
Good thinking. Be careful not to lose it. Oh no!
Amazing! I think they're gonna get there before we do.
Oh, 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 oh.
There you go. Do you need anything else?
No, thanks. Misha said she'd be coming to help me sell the flowers.
Well, she must be about to arrive because Charlie's on his way.
Ball! Ball!
Watch out! Take cover!
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I knew that a toy that big was going to cause problems.
We'll just keep the ball in here until we decide what to do with it.
So, you're left without a ball and Carol without a flower stand. Oh, don't worry. Carol said that she'd rebuild the stand, and I think I know how we can help her do that. But we can't tell anyone.
So, this is the famous ball.
It's huge, right?
You were right.
Is everything ready?
Tools.
Paint.
Scissors. Scissors? Scissors, no.
Just be patient. You're going to like this. Here we go. Ta-da! Oh, what's that?
Hey, what is that?
What's that? Oh. 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 Oh.
Hey guys, we came up with a great costume.
Yeah, we did good work.
But we're not finished yet. Attention, please. If you want to discover something amazing, just follow this feed. Don't worry, It won't sting you.
Hi, Charlie. What are you doing here?
Bees search for the flowers. And this one has picked up a few friends along the way.
Just take a look at these fantastic paper flowers that Carol has made.
Oh, these flowers you make are so pretty. I'll take 6 of them.
Kids, didn't we agree not to touch the ball until we could find a good use for it?
And we found it. It works to help Carol sell her flowers. Right, Charlie?
You're right. It's a very useful bee. Plus, you can go after it and it won't sting you.